Hey guys, Sam here from SellShop. Welcome back to the channel. So, there's a famous saying in dropshipping, stop guessing what to sell, copy what's already winning. And in this video, I'll show you guys how to use AI to copy any dropshipping store. And of course, guys, we're not going to be copying the whole store from A to Z, but instead of that, we're going to be rebuilding our own brand new store with the help of AI in the same niche in just a few clicks. And guys, on top of that, I'm also going to show you how to find winning products of our competitor's store. Yes, the exact store that we will be copying. So, there's going to be a little bit of spying involved as well. All right, let's jump in. All right, guys, so let's start with our step number one, which is basically us finding a dropshipping store that we're going to copy. If you have a competitor store on your mind, if you have a particular niche on your mind, good enough. But if you're like me and you have no idea, then it's a good start because with the help of spy tools, you want to click on it and then you want to click on the niche spy. So with the help of niche spy, you can actually take a look at different stores operating in different niches, how much money they're making, each and everything is going to be included. So pay close attention. This is very, very important. So top 10 niches updated for February 2026. So these are all the different niches that are exploding in the February of 2026. And in case if you want to select your own niche, you can always click here. But I'm going to go with my favorite one, which is the fitness. So I'm going to click on it. And once I do that, guys, it's going to show me all the stores that belong to the fitness niche. And it's going to show me their different, products. Each and everything is going to be included here. But there's one thing, there's one catch that I like to do is I like to click right over here. And then I like to click on the monthly visits. So once I do that, guys, it's going to show me all the products in ascending order, right? So this guy has the most monthly visits, meaning more people coming to a store, meaning more people buying our product, meaning more sales, right? So this guy is actually making the most sales according to our niche explorer in the beauty niche. Now what I'm going to do is, so this is the store number one, right? So this is the link and these are all his different products. And as the list goes down, this is the second store, this is the third store. So let's take a look at the first one, right? So orders is high, which is good enough. Now I'm going to click on this button that says store intelligence. So let's click on that. This is going to show me all the relevant information. For example, we've got the monthly traffic, which is insane, 178,000. That is really, really cool. And look at the monthly revenue, guys, almost 500,000. And if you look at the chart, we reached 400k, which is absolutely amazing in dropshipping. So it's got a lot of traffic, a lot of different things. Now here comes the most important part, which is basically you get to see the marketing channels as well as the monthly orders. But wait, let me scroll down. Look at this guy, best selling products. So these are all his best selling products right in front of us. And I'm going to show you a technique to actually import these products on your store, but that is for later. So basically we can literally see how much money he's making, how much traffic he has, what are his top selling products, what are his latest products, and what kind of app he's using on his store. So A to Z, we know everything. We know his products, we know his apps, we know his marketing channels, we know his monthly orders, we know each and everything. So this would be a very, very good competitor for us. By the way, this would actually be a very good candidate for copying our store. So I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to put it here. All right, so here we are at our competitor store. Like this is the link that I copied and pasted here. So okay, it's got a fitness store, nice and easy. Not a very good store, but a decent store, not the least. Right, so what I'm gonna do is, now I know that my competitor is in the fitness niche. The next thing I want to do is I want to create a store in the fitness niche, and I'm going to do that with the help of an AI, and it's going to be so quick within a few clicks. So let's first create a store and then come back to our competitor again. All right, guys, so now that we know that we're going to work in the fitness niche, now let's go ahead and create a store in the fitness niche with the help of an AI in just a few clicks. Now I'm on the dashboard of SellShop again. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click right over here and then I'm going to click on create an ad store. So simply click on that. Now you can always connect Shopify, Ecommerce, eBay, TikTok. It works for every one of these integrations, but for this video I'm gonna go with SellShop because it just comes with SellShop and it's very, very easy to use. So SellShop, I'm gonna click on connect. Now once I do that, it's gonna ask me to pick my niche. You guys remember what was our niche? It was sports and fitness. Yes, so click on that and then simply click on continue. Now you need a brand name for your store and the currency, yeah, it's gonna be USD. And in case if you're working in the European market or let's say UK, you can go with pounds, right? So continue. And that's it, guys. Give a few seconds to the AI and then your store is gonna be done. So sorry, it was already done. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to actually create your store within few seconds, guys. Literally a few clicks, a few seconds, and that's how easy it was. So I'm going to click on view store and I'm going to show you guys the actual store that AI has created for us. Right, guys, so here is our complete automated AI store. And would you look at it, guys? Would you look at the store? Would you look at the graphics, the images, pages? Everything is done, guys. Everything is done. Collections are done, pages are done. And guys, guess what? Even get the winning products in your particular niche as well. That is absolutely insane. So this store is completely ready to go. You don't literally have to add any products at all because all of these products, they're all the winning products. They're all found using the help of AI, right? So that's how easy it is to create your store. Now that we have created a store and we have our competitor in the back as well, the store we're about to copy. And by the way, we have created a much better store than our competitor, right? And all within just a few clicks. Now, what we're gonna do next is we are going to steal his products. Well, not steal, but spy, right? So let's go ahead and check out his products and then add them to a store within just a few clicks. Let's jump on to our part number 3. Right, so we are back at Niche Buy, and this was the store that we initially found out in the fitness niche that's absolutely crushing it right now. Look at the monthly revenue, guys, $350,000. That is just insane. Now, let's actually take a look at his top winning products. So these are all his best winning products. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add these products to my store one by one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here, add to store, and then I'm going to scroll down, and here you see that we don't have any fulfillment source. Now, the coolest part is you can actually find suppliers on SellShop as well. You don't have to go to AliExpress to manually find suppliers. Nope, this is the age of AI, and all I need to do is just click on AI supplier finder, and then this page is gonna open up. The AI is actually gonna go out and find some suppliers for me, and it's so easy for me to just pick the best suppliers in terms of cost, shipping, delivery date, orders, and rating. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this one, pull up bar for doorway. So I'm gonna select this guy. It's got the best ratings, and then what I'm gonna do is instead of clicking on push to store, I don't want this product to be moved to my store yet because I want to play around with the descriptions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here, and then I'm going to click on save to drafts. Just make sure you have the right store selected here. So I've got mine. I'm going to click on save to drafts, and yep, the product has been saved in the drafts. And then I'm going to do this one by one for all of these products, right? So again, let me show you how again. So click on add to store, just scroll down. Don't have a fulfillment source yet, don't worry about it. Simply click on AI supply finder. AI again is going to go out and find more suppliers for you. Just give it a few seconds. Right, so here we are. I'm going to go with this guy, select, and it's good to go. And then I'm going to click on save to drafts, and then yep, product has been saved in the drafts. So what I've basically done is I found a great competitor store. I took a look at his monthly profit, revenue, his top trending products, and then I knew, okay, that this niche is working out for him. I knew his products well, and then I went out and I created my own store in that particular niche. This is a store, by the way, and once you create a store, SellShop is going to automatically put some winning products on your store, right? So you don't have to worry about the store is going to be completely empty. Oh, I'm not going to find any products. No, the store will come up with some products. This is just something extra, right? So here we are back again, and I've actually moved this product to the drafts. I'll move this one to the drafts as well. Now I'm going to do it. My recommendation is just add all of these best-selling products to your store, not only for this competitor, right? So I'm gonna close this up. Not only for this competitor, just take a look at top 10 to 15 stores. Take a look at them. Always click on store intelligence, find the best selling products for all of these top 10 stores, and then put them to your store, right? Very important, but make sure you don't actually push them. Make sure to keep them in the draft because I'll show you exactly why to do that. So what we have done is we have moved some products to our store, as in moved them into the drafts. Now let's actually go ahead and add them to our store. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here where it says that shop settings. So here we are at the dashboard. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my products. Take a look at the list. These are all the products that came with the store, right? So once you create your store with the help of AI, all of these products will be imported to your store automatically. And yes, these are all the winning products in your particular niche. For example, in our case, it's the fitness one. Right, so let's click on the draft ones because these are all the products that we recently just moved from our competitor store to our store, but they're still in the draft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on both of these products, and then I'm going to click on bulk AI rewrite, and here I can actually take a look at the different tools that can help me write the perfect description for my product. So the goal is going to be SEO and product title description. Always description is going to be medium, language is English, persuasive. Okay, so sports ones are definitely that, and then I always love to add features and benefits, and then I'm going to click on generate using 6 credits, and then AI has actually done it. Now all I need to do is just click on push to store. I'm going to do this for this product. By the way, you can do it in a bulk as well. So yep, my products have been moved to my store. Now there's one thing that I want to do is I want to take a look at my product pages. So let's take a look at that. Right guys, so these are all the 2 products that we added. So view product, right? So look at this guys, look at the product page, look at the quality of the image, the perfect title, the perfect discount offers, the images, the description, everything is going to be given to you, and even you might like this item, this section as well. Now there's one thing that is missing, and you know what that is, right? The reviews. How do we add reviews to these products? Again, I'm going to go back to Sell the Trend. Look at this, guys. Import reviews. All you need is a link to the supplier. And then if you click on import, the reviews is going to be actually imported to your store product page like this instantly, guys. You don't have to do it manually. So you can do everything with the help of AI, guys, if you use Sell the Trend. That's how easy it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually import the reviews to this product page and then also this product page as well. So let's do that. Right. So I need to find. And here we have it, guys. Our reviews have been imported to our store within just a few clicks. That's how easy it was. And look at this, guys. Look at the product page now. Perfect product page, perfect images, perfect colors, discount, offer, description, and the social proof. So everything is done, guys. And remember, you can always add more features to your store as well. For example, if you want to play around with images, with the titles, you can always do that as well on the shop settings. And guys, moving on to the last part, and it's very, very important. Let's take a look at different apps that our competitor has been using. All right, guys, so let's recap a little bit. So what we have done till now. So we found out a winning store with the help of niche buy in the niche of fitness. And then we went out and then we created our store in the same exact niche, the fitness niche, and we didn't copy our competitor. We actually made a better looking store, and you guys saw it. Look at how amazing our store is. Look at how perfect it is. The images, the description, the products, each and everything is done with the help of AI in just a few clicks, right? Nice and easy. Now our store was done, then we went back again, and then we actually moved all of his winning products to our store. So that is done as well. Now the last thing that I want to show you guys is the store apps, right? So these are all the different store apps that he's been using, and these apps help you guys to make more money. There's no doubt about it. For example, we have Klaviyo for email marketing. Okay, we've got frequently bought together as well. We've got geolocation and different apps. Now, lucky for us, guys, you can always add these kind of apps to your store as well in the SellShop. They're all given. I'm back on the dashboard of SellShop. I'm gonna click on apps, right? So here we have the frequently bought together app. All you need to do is just click on configure, enable it, and then create a frequency bought together offer. For example, let's create one. If somebody chooses this product and they add it to the cart, this product is gonna be shown automatically in their cart as well. Well, not actually in their cart, but it will actually be shown as frequently bought together. Simply click on save. That's it, guys. There you have your frequently bought together app done. And then we have the quantity breaks. And guys, for email marketing, we have the Mailchimp, which is literally the best app to use. You can literally use it and it's for free as well. And then there's a multi-language shop. You can actually use it if you want to sell into multiple countries. For example, you're working in the EU. That's why you can use this app. And I think that's the same reason that this guy might have this geolocation app as well. And then there's a security app, and then this chat app as well, and then discount pop-up offers that this guy's been using as well. So that's how easy it is to actually spy on your competitor, guys. That's how easy it is to spy on your competitor with the help of Sell the Trend. And guys, we never actually copy it, right? We never copy our competitor's store. The first thing that we do is we take a look at what's really happening in the niche, and we find the best store that's actually rocking hard in that particular niche. The next thing what we do is we use AI to create ourselves a brand new store within just a few clicks. Look at this, guys. This is in front of your eyes. Created with the help of AI in just a few clicks. Now, once our store is done, we go back to the Niche Explorer and we take a look at the top selling products, not only for the #1 store, but also what I do is I take a look at the top 10 stores and then I move their products to my store individually. Now, why I do that? Because that way I know that, okay, these 10 stores are making a lot of money and these are all the different products that are making money for that. And now I have the data, I have the products. I move those products to my own store that I created again with the help of AI, and boom, guys, I have the perfect copy store. But it's not 100% copying pasting, right? That's how important it is, guys. I always tell it that never copy your competitor's store 100%. Always add something extra. Always add something extra, guys. Do something amazing. Be creative. Be yourself, right? And that's how you can use the spy tools, the niche spy, to actually take a look at the competition and then take a look at the top selling products and then move them to your store. All right, guys, that's it for our video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do let me know in the comments what do you guys think about our videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Now, if you want to start your own dropshipping journey with the help of AI in 2026, yes, with the help of AI in 2026, then you can watch our next video right over here. Till then, guys, stay motivated, keep making those sales. I'll see you in the next one.